So first of all, you want to make sure that your Cydia is actually working. In case it gives you an untrusted certificate error, then you can go check my tutorial on how to fix that. I've already made a tutorial, but let's say that your Cydia is fixed and is working normally. You're gonna go to sources and then click edit. Click add, then you're gonna type cydia.invoxyplaygames.uk/iOS3. There we go. Now you click on add source. It's gonna tell you verifying URL. You're gonna get you to this black screen, reloading data. Now you're gonna click return to Cydia. Now you find this iPhone OS 3 party. You're gonna click on it and then click on all packaging. Now here is where it depends which version you have. In my case, I have iOS 3.1.3, so I'm gonna choose AppSync for OS 3.1. If you have like 3.2 or something like that, then you're going to click on this one. For my case, I have 3.1.3. Now you click on modify and install. It's going to lead you to this menu, which you're going to click on confirm right here. Now again, it's going to bring you to this loading screen. It's going to tell you reloading data, then return to Cydia. And now we can see that AppSync has been successfully installed. So on your computer, you're going to go to your web browser and then type, then hit enter. You're gonna scroll down and then go to this up to down link. You're gonna click on the old versions right here, this little button. Now you're just gonna keep scrolling down. Then you're gonna select the oldest version right here of the 14th of November 2011. Gonna click on it, and now you're gonna scroll down again and click on the massive green download button. It's gonna lead you to this other page. Now it's gonna sit there and keep downloading. You're gonna get it in a zip file. We'll open the zip file here, and then you're gonna have to extract. So we're just gonna right click the zip file and then extract all, then extract. Now you're gonna double click on the exe file. I'll just untick this. Click run, and there we have iFunbox. Now you'll plug your device to your computer. There we go. Now it says, as you can see, it says right here connecting to the device. Now you're gonna click on this install app fast in, and it's gonna bring you a dialog box of the apps right here. I have my own folder where I have kept all iOS 3 apps right here. And I'm gonna select Fruit Ninja. Click on open. Now it's gonna show you the progress bar right here. We're just gonna look at the iPod. There you go. Now it's reached 100%. Again, make sure that the app you have is actually compatible with your device. And there you go. You have successfully sideloaded an app into your device, and as we can see, if it's not compatible, then either it's not even gonna download, or it's gonna crash on you instantly as soon as you open it. So thank you guys for watching. A sub would be appreciated, and I hope this helped. Peace.